Are you serious? Look at this. Look at this. Let's talk about my holiday gift guide. So let's start with the stocking stuffer that everybody needs. It's the Mini Crush Lip Gloss Trio. I am wearing the shade Slow Jam. It's just a tried and true classic Bobbi Brown lip formula, really nourishing, gives you great shine, a little bit of color payoff, but I also love a mini size. Next up, eyes, and it is full size product here. The Smoky Eye Mascara, you know how great this formula is. I love having this in my artistry kit. The Kajal eyeliner, this is long wear. It's beautiful to line your waterline with. This is in the shade black, so just classic duo here. Who does not love a holiday palette? These shades are shades that you're going to wear throughout the year. We've got a mixture of mattes and shimmers. We've got some neutral shades, a little pop of sparkle. You know, that's the shades I immediately want to stick my finger into. Get this and keep it for yourself. So we also have the Pink Mirage eyeshadow palette. You do still have some of your classic brown shades, a little bit of matte and shimmer mix, a perfect palette to use all year round. Tell me that this is not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life. First shade is Fizzy, which I would call like a coppery champagne color. Next up is Pink Pearl. Ooh, this is really cool. Kind of shifts. So it's pink, it's pearly, it's opalescent, radiant pink. Wow. For the color lovers out there, here you go. Taffy. Oh, wow. I love that. And last but not least, Sugared. It again kind of shifts when you move it around. Beautiful shades of our beloved Longwear Cream Shadow Stick formula. If you are looking to really make someone's holiday dreams come true, look no further. So this is the Bobbi Brown Beauty Essentials. First off, a full-size vitamin-enriched face base, the highlighting powder in Pink Glow, Pot Rouge in Pink Flush, the Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in Moonstone, and a full size of the Kajal liner waterproof in Black. Lastly, we have the Crushed Oil Infused Gloss in the shade New Romantic. I think I gave you guys a lot of inspiration. Comment below and tell me what you guys are getting this year and what's for yourself and what's for somebody else. And I just wish you the happiest of holidays.